Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another wonderful, awesome weight loss video. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to drop up to 30 pounds in 15 days. Now, it may take 15 days, it may take a month, but you will definitely see some weight loss in this smoothie. Okay, it's powerful. Now, what we're working with today is a blender. So you can use a full size or a half size blender. That's fine. We're also going to be working with a cucumber. A medium cucumber is okay. Also, our mint leaves. I'm also going to be using some mango chunks. I'm going to also be using a half of a lime or a half of a lemon, whichever one is fine. I'm also going to be working with some turmeric powder. Now, turmeric is a powerful herb, a root, which is also great for weight loss, as well as ginger. Okay, this is about an inch to a little over an inch of ginger root. Oh, and also a pinch of black pepper, ground black pepper. Now we're going to start putting everything into our blender. So let's start by putting in our mint leaves. Okay, popping in our turmeric powder. We're also going to be cutting off the skin of our lime or lemon. Okay, and just using the meat of the fruit. Okay, so it's going to look like this after you cut it up, and we're just going to pop that into our cup as well. Next, we're also going to throw in our pinch of black pepper. And as far as our mango chunks, you're going to need about a cup of mango chunks. Now, mango is a sweet fruit, and this is what's going to also help to keep us satisfied. Next is our ginger. Just cut your ginger into some pieces just to get it through the blades of your blender. Okay, makes it a whole lot easier when your ginger is cut into pieces. All right, pop that into your blender as well. And last, we're going to be working with our cucumber. All right, now cucumber has lots of water. The majority of the cucumber substance is water, as well as fiber. Now this is an organic cucumber, so I'm leaving the skin on it because I want that fiber. All right, so you just cut your cucumbers into pieces and you're good. Now with this cucumber, I could probably get about a cup of water, a cup of fluid from it. But just to be on the safe side, inside of this smoothie, I'm probably going to add in some coconut water, okay, just for flavor. So I'm just going to put in about a cup of my coconut water, okay, Vika Coco, and now we're just going to blend this up. Alright, you guys, so our drink is ready and it is so creamy. Alright, now today I'm just going to pop on my handle on my to-go mug. Okay, now I'm just going to prop my straw in there. Thank goodness for the mango, because the mango doesn't make it as sour. It helps with the flavor of the drink, but you're not going to taste sweetness because of the lime that's in it. But the lime is what's going to help to shrink those fat cells. So here you have a powerful morning smoothie that you drink on an empty stomach. You can either have this as a very low carb breakfast, and then later on have a morning snack, a very light snack, and then you proceed through the day eating healthy meals. This is powerful. So like I said, you guys, implement these wonderful smoothies into your everyday daily routine and you will see weight loss. These are all healthy, fat burning, powerful drinks that if you incorporate this in your healthy lifestyle, you will lose weight, or you will be maintaining your weight loss. These are wonderful ingredients, okay? Wonderful drinks. So this is another green smoothie that you can make, full of antioxidants, powerful fiber, fat burning ingredients to help burn it off of you. So again, you guys, I'd like to thank you for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Share them on your social media platform. And also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care, skincare videos, family challenges, fashion hauls, story times, all of that. Okay, you will get all of that on that channel. And don't forget to check down below in the links department for these wonderful items for your powerful NUTRIBULLET blenders. If you don't have a blender, check down below. These are very affordable blenders, whether it's your personal size or your full size blender. Comes with lots of accessory cups for it as well, and you can have a great start on your smoothie blendings. Also check for these metal straws. Check for those links down below as well, okay? And until the next time, you guys, don't forget your auntie and big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.